Hi, welcome to another video by Dan and John, and it's about 6 o'clock on a Saturday, about the 18th of December. It's freezing cold and our boiler has decided to say a few minutes ago, low pressure, contact installer. Well, that's a bit difficult this time.
It's an ideal standard Logic Plus boiler.
But this tip of information applies to any boiler. What that means is there's not enough pressure in your central heating and your radiators to allow the boiler to continue. So as a fail-safe, it won't turn on. And how do you remedy this? Well, without taking the case off, normally you can see this dial there. It's an analog dial there, and there's a needle. Now, when we first came to this, the pointing needle was at the bottom. It had very little pressure in it. That's because, if I've already mentioned, I've bled the radiators today and it's obviously lost pressure. The way to fill this up, you'll have two taps and it's got like a braided hose that connects them up. So there's water coming in, you undo this one and then you would undo that one and you can fill it up with the water and then turn them off. You'll then see the dial come, say, from very low pressure up. You want it about halfway to where we've got it there. That's adequate. Or just refer to your manual or online, but we know that's correct for this boiler. This will work for any boiler. It just saves you having to call the installer out or engineer, and it literally is a DIY quick fix. Word of warning, do not remove the boiler cover, because there is some debate whether that's actually breaking the law or not, so just a word of warning. But we haven't removed the boiler cover, just gone underneath and filled it up with some water basically. Hope this helped you get your heating back on and stay warm, and Merry Christmas for 2022. Thank you.